In the world of construction, time is as much a foundation as concrete. Falling behind on a project can erode your profits and tarnish your reputation. Let's dig into some strategies to keep your next construction project on schedule. A well-structured plan is your blueprint for success. Break down the project into manageable segments to maintain a steady pace toward completion. Start with your budget, then assemble a team whose skills are as solid as the structures they'll build. Remember, clear communication and efficient task management are the scaffolding that supports timely completion. The roar of heavy machinery is the heartbeat of any construction site. These powerful tools are indispensable for tasks like excavation and transportation, but neglect their upkeep, and you'll face the downtime of repairs. Commit to regular maintenance. Clean the undercarriage, check fluids, and replace worn parts to keep your mechanical beasts roaring and your project on track. Even the best-laid plans can encounter unexpected delays. Keep a vigilant eye on progress, hitting milestones with the precision of a surveyor's level. Real-time data is your compass, guiding adjustments to navigate around the obstacles of labor issues, material shortages, and budget overruns. When the unexpected strikes, a contingency plan is your emergency exit. Effective risk management isn't about playing catch-up. It's about having a fallback that keeps the project's integrity intact. Set aside funds for this purpose early on, and you'll be ready to face any storm with confidence. Completing a construction project on time demands dedication and a mastery of these strategies. With a solid plan, well-maintained equipment, vigilant monitoring, and a robust contingency in place, your next project won't just be finished on time. It will be a monument to your company's reliability and excellence.